Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to study how to solve equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we know that we have already studied in this chapter graphical method and Cramer's rule. Now consider the equations 4 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 1 and 8 upon x minus 9 upon y is equal to 7. Now see, in these equations variables x and y are at the denominator. So degree of this equation is -1. So both equations are not linear equations. Here x and y are non-zero, so such equations can be reduced to a pair of linear equations by making proper substitutions. So if we substitute m for 1 upon x and n for 1 upon y, we get two equations. 4 into m plus 3 into n is equal to 1, that is 4m plus 3n is equal to 1, and 8m minus 9n is equal to 7. Such simultaneous equations can be solved by the method of elimination, by substitution, or elimination by equating coefficients. Now consider the example 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 8, 4 upon x minus 2 upon y is equal to 2. Both equations are not linear in primary stage. So write both equations below to each other. In the second equation, dividing both sides by 2, we get 2 upon x minus 1 upon y is equal to 1. So here both equations are not linear. So we can express these equations in the form 1 into 1 upon x plus 1 into 1 upon y is equal to 8, and second equation 2 into 1 upon x minus 1 into 1 upon y is equal to 1. Now observe that if we replace another variable for 1 upon x and another variable for 1 upon y, then these equations can be expressed in the linear equation. So here substituting m for 1 upon x and n for 1 upon y, we get m plus n is equal to 8, and 2m minus 1n means n is equal to 1. Say number 3 and 4. So both equations number 3 and 4 are linear equations in two variables m and n. Now solving these two equations, adding these two equations, plus n minus n cancelled, we get m plus 2m 3m, 3m is equal to 9, so m is equal to 3. Substituting m is equal to 3 in equation 3, we have 3 plus n is equal to 8. Now transforming n 3 to the right hand side, we have n is equal to 8 minus 3. Therefore n is equal to 5. Substituting the values of m and n in the original variable, 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 1 upon 3 and y is equal to 1 upon 5 by taking reciprocals on both sides. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 3 and y is equal to 1 upon 5 is the solution of the given simultaneous equations. Now consider another example 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85, and 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Now write both equations below to each other and making some adjustment, taking 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus taking 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Similarly, second equation can be expressed as 31 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Now substituting another variable a for 1 upon x minus 2 and variable b for 1 upon y plus 3 in the given equations, that is in the equation 1 and 2. So above equations becomes 27a plus 31b is equal to 85 and 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Say number 3 and number 4's. Now solving 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4, we have 58a plus 58b is equal to 174. Now dividing both sides by 58, we have a plus b is equal to 3. Say number 5. So this is the very easy equation in the form a plus b is equal to something. Now subtracting equation 3 from equation 4, we have 31a minus 27a 4a plus 27b minus 31b minus 4b is equal to 89 minus 85 4. So 4a minus 4b is equal to 4. Dividing both sides of this equation by 4, we get a minus b is equal to 1. Say number 6. So see here, this is also very easy equation in the form a minus b is equal to something. So a plus b is equal to 3 and a minus b is equal to 1. These are the equation number 5 and 6. Now solving these equations 5 and 6. So adding equations 5 and 6, a plus b is equal to 3 and a minus b is equal to 1. We get plus b minus b cancelled. We have a plus a is equal to 2a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 2. Substituting a is equal to 2 in equation 5, we have 2 plus b is equal to 3. Then b is equal to 3 minus 2. So b is equal to 1. So we get a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. But a and b are not the original variable of our given equations. So substituting a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1 in a is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 and b is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. Now substituting a and b. So we have 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. Now taking x minus 2 to the right hand side and y plus 3 to the right hand side, we get two equations in this way. 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 2 and 1 is equal to y plus 3. Now multiplying by 2 to the bracket, we have 1 is equal to 2x minus 2 into minus 2 4 and y is equal to 1 minus 3 by taking transformation of 3 on the another side. So 2x is equal to 1 plus 4 by taking transformation of minus 4 to the another side. We have 2x is equal to 1 plus 4 and y is equal to minus 2. So 2x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2. Therefore x is equal to 5 upon a 2 and y is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 5 upon a 2 and y is equal to minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. In this way we can solve the equations which are not linear equations but reduced it into linear equation. So मी या ठिकाणी आपल्याला विद्यार्थ्यांना रिक्वेस्ट करतो की आपण या ठिकाणी जो प्रॅक्टिस सेट आहे 1.4 तो या ठिकाणी आपण सोडवायचा आहे आणि या ठिकाणी आपण थांबूया. धन्यवाद.